The snowshoe adventure, we end at this cabin, which is the oldest building on property. And some of the staff were talking about some of the crazy things that happen in this cabin. Supposedly, it may be a little haunted. Hello, fellow dreamers. We're off to other adventures here at Vista Verde. But I'm really thinking, after adventures today, I think we need to hit the hot tub. I mean, seriously, this hot tub overlooks this amazing view, and you got a hot tub in the winter. I think we have to use it. But we are off to have some lunch. They always have fabulous lunches here. The chef, oh my gosh, so much food, so amazing. And then we are gonna go do a first for the Jones family. We are going to go snowshoeing. I've always wanted to do that. A couple times we've been in Minnesota and I really wanted to do it, but just never tried it. But today we're gonna try to do snowshoeing while we have the snow, because look, all those wonderful icicles are starting to melt. So that snow is starting to melt. So we wanna get out there on the snow before it melts. And before Hunter takes down all of these icicles. She keeps trying to reach out and knock down all of the icicles. We have these super awesome icicles and she's knocking them down.
I can't reach it. I can't. Dude, how close am I?
You are 2 inches.
No!
Are you gonna take off your shoe and just throw it at the icicle? Is that what's happening?
I don't want to throw it out because I don't want it in the snow and have to get it.
Yep.
But
oh!
yeah, look at the prints.
Oh, icicle down.
I can't reach it there. Move. Jeez.
Here, I'm gonna hold you because I can totally see you going over. Oh, get this one right here. This is a good one right here. Oh!
And this one. Oh, wow.
Try not to hit the floor. Are you
this one right here.
Are you going over here?
Oh my god, that one you can't get. Over here. This one.
I'm holding
You're
her. She'll try to
It's like lacrosse. It's lacrosse.
All the way over.
And lacrosse, there was a drill that we did where it's someone, you have 2 partners and you would try to hold them as far as you can, but then once you get halfway, you let them run.
Oh, that's hard.
I got my sock. Oh.
Wow.
Okay, ready?
It's just a mess. All right,
Ready?
you gonna get this one right here?
Yeah.
All right, let me hang on. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I missed. Is that too far?
Oh.
There
you go. It's crazy coming from Florida, where we're at the water, to Colorado, where it's such a change in altitude. Even just going up these little steps up to the cabin, we're all breathing heavy. It's like a workout for us. And we're all physically fit, you know? I run marathons. Hunter does lacrosse. And that's pretty much us.
There you go.
This is exciting.
Doesn't Dad use these for hiking?
Probably. They're really similar.
Thank you.
Do you need some help here?
Yes, please. As you can tell, I'm such a professional. I've done this my entire life.
Grandma and I are gonna do the snowshoeing for the first time. I'm very excited. As you guys know, I have never been snowshoeing and I've always wanted to do it. So I'm very excited.
Wait, which way's which?
I do not know.
I just gotta follow everybody else.
We'll soon find out. So we're making our way over here and then we're gonna put all the equipment on, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a beautiful day. It snowed a little bit last night, so this is a perfect morning to do snowshoeing and cross-country skiing because it's got fresh snow.
Yeah, I'll walk with you.
So just slide it forward. Keep sliding toward me a little more. Now heel up a little bit. You getting that, Tom? Yeah, you're in.
Does it have to be on the back too, or no?
No, it's just on the front because it's a cross-country ski. So that's the difference between downhill skis and cross-country skis, is that your heel gets to be free. And you really are just doing like a walk, and then when you feel more comfortable, you just add a glide into the walk. Remember that your heel's free, so you can totally like lift up your heel and walk. It's not like downhill skis where you have to be like this.
Yeah.
So go for it, girl.
Woo! You okay? Yeah. Good job, Hunter.
Go right here, bud. Follow me. So if you want to go right here.
Good job, Hunter. You're doing great.
Is it fun?
It is. It's very easy. I thought it was going to be hard. It's not. It's very easy. Hunter, how was that?
It was really fun.
I saw you go down the hill.
Yeah. I did. I was one of the only ones who could get down without falling.
Woohoo! So for the snowshoe adventure, we end at this cabin, which is the oldest building on property. And some of the staff were talking about some of the crazy things that happen in this cabin. Supposedly, it may be a little haunted because it is super, super old. And the ranch, I mean, you know, they settled this ranch a long time ago. So they think this cabin has done some strange things where both doors fly open and little weird things happen in this cabin. So we're here just for a quick s'mores cookouts, but very creepy. Hello. Hi, did you hear that this may or may not be haunted?
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Creepy.
Would you come back at night and sleep over here?
Maybe.
You know, that's what the teens do over the summer.
There's not many places where someone can hide. So.
Yeah. Little creepy. They say all the pictures, the eyes follow you. They're not kidding. It really does look like the eyes are following you. Whew, a little creepy.
Okay, you guys, what do we need to light a fire?
Matches.
Okay, matches, so something to make a spark. What else do we need? Just matches?
Wood.
You want to start with the smallest stuff first? So this is the smallest stuff. It is really easy to light. So I'll start with this first. Make like a little, little thing right there. And then you want to get bigger. So you start with small and go to big. This.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this is even cooler than matches. Because if you do this to matches, they don't work anymore.
You push it.
Yeah, you strike it. So the cool thing about this is that it doesn't matter how wet it gets, you can drop it in water and then you can use it like a second later. And so what it is this a reaction, and you put force like this, creates a spark, and the spark should catch on this. Let's see if it works.
There we go.
Oh, it's fine. Sometimes it takes me a couple tries.
Yeah, you paste it.
That's right. Focus.
Oh, you got it. Push down.
Oh, cool.
Yay.
Of course it is.
Well, because that's the way the wind's blowing. Yeah, also
But how do you know the
hot
wind
goes
doesn't follow good luck?
Hot goes up.
Has that been proven?
Hot also goes up. Well, wind doesn't have a brain, so... What's 1 + 1?
I'm going to hit this on here to get the snow.
Hey, wind! What's 1 + 1? See, it doesn't even know what 1 + 1 is.
Okay, scoot back, you guys. The fire's getting bigger. It's getting ready for s'mores.
What's that?
this. We fall and make snow angels.
Yeah. Did it work?
Are you alright? All right, ready to make your s'more? Yeah. That was really fun, huh? Watch out, you're gonna sink in big time like Mommy did.
Or not.
Or not.
Or
dun, dun, dun.
Or no. Ready? 3. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Oh, that's so fun.
Oh no, it's starting to get.
There you go. Oh, be careful.
It's sizzling.
There's silence. They must be good.
Hunter,
Yeah.
you want us more?
Yes.
Wow, these marshmallows do toast quickly.
Goodbye.
Snowshoes and no one to wear them. Your hat's right here, buddy. Okay.
Good job, kid.
I'm gonna try it.
And she's down. That was a good try.
Yeah.
Need help?
No, I'm okay.
Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Sure you got it? Awesome.
I love how there's no heel part to it.
Yeah, it's very different than typical downhill skiing, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool though.